guys, what's up? It's Mark, check it out. This is a sneak preview of an upcoming truck we got coming in. It's a 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 SLT. And she rolls coal, son. She rolls coal. So check it out. It's got a few mods done to it. It's got a set of 22 by 12 fuel wheels, a new fuel wheel that just recently kind of came out. It's got a full I want to say it's a 4-inch. Don't count me on it. Check the description below. And while you're doing that, subscribe, mofo, please. Help me out. Check it out, and I'll send you all kinds of crazy videos and shit. 4-inch turbo back, exhaust. It's got a Smarty tuner with a CTS monitor, I want to say, or some whole bunch of goodies. Check out the description below. Let's go check the truck out. 121,000 miles on it. Clean as hell. This guy took super good care of it. Really cool dude. Business guy too. Really nice guy. 121,000 miles. Smells clean as all hell in here. 4-wheel drive. Edge monitor. Nice LED lights all the way around. I'll show you the fog lights and the LED lights. Infinity sound system. Underneath is super clean. No rust. Fuel wheels are good. It's got the Nitto 420s on it. These are a 305, I think. Yeah, 305 40 22-inch tire. Awesome street tire. Huge light bar on the front. LED lights and fog lights. And the camera looks like it's sputtering, but it's really not. It's just the way the camera is. Body's really clean. Sounds beast of shit. Listen. Oh yeah. And that's a turbo back. Yeah. Turbo back exhaust. Deleted and everything. LED taillights. Headliner's good. That's my tire shine right there. So it's coming up here soon. If you guys have any questions. Oh, check this thing. It's funny as hell. All the Dodges do this. I've been meaning to show you guys this actually. So if you're in a Dodge, I think it's the older generations, the new ones don't do it. If you're in a Dodge and you have the door open and you put it in reverse, watch what happens. It's like raping in an alley or something. Ready? It's like, no, stop. The hazards go off and everything. Like the hazards go off and it's like, no, stop, beep, no. It does that. It's like warning you to not do that because when you back up, you have a garage door or something like that. Boom, your door falls off. You can ask my wife. She's done it plenty of times. So she's on her 7th time, I think, right now. That's why I go through vehicles so much. That's why I have a dealership, you know, because she goes through doors constantly. So I hope you guys like it. Hit me up soon. Check in with me. Look at the description down below because I have a bunch of shit on my mind right now. You'll see a whole description on this truck where it says the title. Click that. It'll do a drop down and you'll see a description of what's done to this truck. I'll be posting everything up here soon. Hope you guys like it. Holler at me, subscribe. Peace out.